moment just to let you know about what's happening on the reggae calendar. First and foremost, any of you made plans to check out Black Uhuru on Saturday? That show was cancelled, you see me? Black Uhuru is not coming to St. Louis. That show was cancelled tomorrow. So if you got tickets, man say you have to go back to each party by then. And then we give you back your money. See? So if you're holding the ticket for tomorrow, go back to where you got it from. And they'll give you a refund.
Do it, baby. Here we go.
Otherwise,